I'm going to show you how to highlight rows using conditional formatting and checkboxes in Microsoft Excel. So what we want to do is select the rows, so starting at A5 and going all the way down to row 16. Go to Format, go to Conditional Formatting. Now where it says Format Cells If and it says Is Not Empty, we want to change that Is Not Empty to Custom Formula Is. Then we're going to hit our equals key and type A5 and put the $sign in front of the A. Click Done. And then once I start ticking these checkboxes, you'll see that the whole row highlights. And that's how you highlight a row using conditional formatting and ticking checkboxes in Microsoft Excel.